Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. In this lesson, we are going to learn about git tag and why it's important. If you are a gamer or using application more times, you see this thing, version 101 or version 21.1. You see sometimes you are making great differences and great changes or great upgrades in your programming and you want to store them as more important commits, so you can find them whenever you want and use them. For that, we tag them. For example, we write git tag this thing. Now, when we write git tag, we see what tags we have. This means we created until now version 101 of our project and we tag it. Now we have it, and we can also, for example, git tag version 102. Now when we write git tag, you see we have two versions, 101 and 102. I write it in the wrong place. By now, we tagged our version and we see what is the great differences between these versions and we can use them. And when we write them, it's don't give us anything, but the important thing is that we can get that. It has a comment. I'm going to give you some hint on that. But for now, I just want you to understand how and what we are doing. By version controlling, we are creating a version important changes. For example, let's say we are creating a game and we created game and uploaded it, but we want to do add an area to it that for example, co-op player. When we want to do that, we create a tag after doing that. For example, version 102, and we gave it some text on what we are doing, and it has many ways to tag them. I'm not going to teach you them because this is a crash course, but if you want, you can find that. Okay, in the next lesson, we are going to learn how and what comment we can use on git tag. Have a nice time until then.